G'day AI enthusiasts. AI text to 3D model generation is here, with Nvidia announcing on Friday their new AI technology Magic3d in a research paper. It can generate 3D models from text prompts. No 3D modeling experience needed. Nvidia's Magic3d can generate a 3D mesh model complete with color texturing in under 40 minutes. This is a revolution for text to 3D content generation. Magic3d has some amazing features, including using source images, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to see why this is such a leap forward in AI technology. The team at Magic3d say this is in response to Google's Dream Fusion released in September. So you can see here it can do prompt-based editing as well. So you give it a low poly model that you've generated with a text prompt, and then you can modify parts of the prompt and obtain a higher mesh model. So you can see here we've got a squirrel wearing a leather jacket riding a motorcycle, and then you can change the subject to a bunny and change it from motorcycle to a scooter, and it'll adapt it. And you can see other examples here. Baby bunny sitting on top of a stack of pancakes, and then you can change it to a Lego bunny sitting on top of books, or a metal bunny on top of broccoli, and so on. So it's pretty amazing. The other cool thing is you can also use reference images for the subject so that you can fine-tune the models. And the advantage of that is that you can preserve the subject between scenes. So for instance, you can put in your cat here, you can have him riding a bike, and then you can change it to like a motorbike, or you can also ask for different angles, like from above or behind or from the side, and it keeps the same subject. So you can see that here, dog running down the track. The other thing that you can do is you can use source images to suggest a style, and then it applies that style to the subject, so that you can see that here in the scooter and in the corgi. So you may be asking, how does Magic3d actually work? In layman's terms, it uses a text prompt to generate a low-res image of the subject using image diffusion. And so out of that you get a coarse model that you can see there in stage 1. And then in stage 2 it uses that model and creates a high-res textured mesh model. The other question is, when can we use it? So in a recent live stream by the Omniverse team, they mentioned they're working hard to get it included in the Omniverse toolset. There's no exact date yet, but you can certainly find out more about that on that live stream. We can check out the Omniverse website at Nvidia, which I'll provide a link to. So why is this cool? How can this be used? Well, look, there's a number of obvious commercial applications. I mean, you can use this to create 3D assets for game development, and possibly VR as well. It could be used in special effects for film and TV. And one that I'm really interested in as well is if you can create it in 3D, then you could also 3D print it. So for instance, you can see here you could use it to generate 3D terrain, like they have here on printable scenery, and then yeah, you can essentially print it out. So if you're not skilled in 3D modeling and rendering, you can basically use this to start creating your own scenery, which is pretty exciting. Giveaway time. Once we hit 1K subscribers, we'll be rewarding 3 lucky subscribers with a giveaway of credits to your favorite AI art generator. So remember to like and subscribe, and comment below on which AI art generator you'd prefer for our credit giveaway. Also, let us know what topic you'd like us to do for our next video. Be sure to check out the description for all the links and resources we talked about. Thanks for watching.